Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we are looking at Yyai stock. You can see this one down on Friday by 9.14%, but realistically that's about the least of the stock's worries. Over the past couple of weeks we are down significantly. I mean, just take a look at that chart. We're dropping from prices in the $2 range, the 250s I believe at the highs, all the way down to this price range where you can see the 15, 16, 17 cent range playing out over the last couple of days. But the question is, does this present an opportunity going forwards into the next week or so? Well, over the course of this video, I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts, all of my opinions, and all the levels that I am looking out for. Now, of course, I must say before we jump in, if you enjoy, make sure to subscribe. Do also remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and remember, this is not financial advice, and stocks like this do come with a lot of risk. However, a few indicators are now playing out. Now, really, since Tuesday, we've seen the stock be in the oversold range. We're still just holding on to the oversold range as of Friday, which could indicate potentially a technical undervalue for the time being. Now, of course, we are going to need to see this one break out of a few levels, and the ranges are relatively tight. Let's actually make this chart a little bit wider so we can see this in a bit more detail, right? So what stands out to me looking from this time frame? Well, a few numbers stand out. Potential supports are at 1785. To break it down to the micro level, right, 1785 is a potential support, around 1780 as well. Below that, you could be looking at uncharted territory to the downside. Now, if we are to break upwards, you're initially seeing levels such as 1929. From there, you could be looking at levels such as 20, potentially 2063, 2070, 21 is then the next interesting level. I think from that, you could be looking onto levels such as 2590, 26. You could be looking for a push on 227. So of course, these are all the next levels I'm looking out for. But again, at the same time, guys, if this stock does not hold on to those levels to the low side in the 17s, the 18s, then we have a lot of questions to ask as to how much lower we can go. But yeah, super cheap stock right now. Of course, looking at this just on a technical level. I'd love to hear all your thoughts and opinions down in the comments. Thank you for your time, guys, and goodbye for now.